Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download Nedbank statement. First, open the Nedbank Money app on your phone. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Once the app is open, enter your login details. When you are logged in, you will see the main screen of the app. Look for the option labeled More. It is usually located at the bottom or side of the screen. Tap on More to continue. Next, scroll through the list of options until you find Statements and Documents. Tap on this option. This will take you to a section where you can view and manage your account statements. Now, you will see a section labeled Statements. Tap the arrow next to Statements to expand the options. The app may ask you to confirm which account you want to view. Select your preferred account from the list. After selecting your account, choose the time period for the statement you need. This could be a specific month or a custom date range. Once you select the period, the statement will be generated. You will now have the option to download or share the statement. Tap the download button to save it to your device, or choose the share option if you want to send it through email or another app. Thanks for watching.